Let's talk about how to add a spotlight annotation so that you can do things like have people subscribe to your videos. Hi, I'm Keith Livingston from the doityourselfmusician.com. Okay, the first thing to do is go to YouTube and sign in. And then you're going to want to go over to your channel, so you can click on this if you don't see a menu. Go to my channel. So you're going to need some information here. Once you go to your channel, you want to copy anything after the last trailing slash. That could be a custom URL that you have, or it could just be a random string of numbers and letters like this one. Okay. Then we're going to want to go to the video manager and locate the video that you want to annotate. And I've got one here. Click the drop down and go to annotations. The video will start playing. So what you want to do is use the timeline here to locate where you want the annotation to go. So this is a subscribe button, so let's say I want to put an annotation there. I'm going to go to Add Annotation, Spotlight, and then you can see it adds this little square here on the timeline and also a square up here on the video itself. Now I can extend this out by dragging it and make it longer, or shorten it of course. And I want to take this square by clicking on it and dragging it right to where I want it to go. And I click on the handles to size it properly. Okay, now I have my annotation right over that subscribe button. So I'm going to turn that transparent by clicking on this little paint icon, so that it won't show up until they mouse over, and then you'll see an outline. I will click link here and subscribe as the annotation and paste my user ID in. Now if I click this link, you'll see it goes to my channel where people can subscribe. And I also have it set to open link in a new window. Okay, now that's pretty much it. You just create that spotlight annotation where you want it, resize the thing, and you're good to go. And now when people will watch your video, they'll have the chance to subscribe. So as you can see, here's my example here. I'm going to drag the timeline over. And for real, I have a subscribe button here. And as they mouse over it, you can see it. Now if you want to know how to make this end card, I've got a video on that as well. Look for it in my channel. If you'd like to make better recordings, have more effective promotions, and improve your musicianship, subscribe to my channel now. We'll see you in the next video.